Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And as I became his immediate neighbor, when I shifted in Twin Flames area, so within few days and within few months, I had entire evidences about the fake breakup he showed up on social media. I got all sort of evidences. So by this time, I was in acceptance that these feelings for this person will never go away, and also this person can never be part of my life because such a shittiest, dirty person he is. So there I took a decision to leave the country, and I had several opportunities to in US, Canada and in other countries, but that too on temporary visa. So because I have been taking care of these visa process for other people, have been into some same sort of profession, so that's why I decided to apply for PR for Canada. Now, what I did in November, I did a filing through a agency, who process these PRs and all. So there I did a big investment of, while signing up the contract for this, paperwork. They will process, all those documents for PR process. So I did a big investment, more than 1 lakh rupees, I remember, just to sign the contract. And there I got busy in, arranging the paperwork, as I had to, apply for transcripts and other paperwork, if you are aware about the PR process. So applying for transcripts and also few other documents already costed me a lot of money. But then as I was decided that I will have to leave, so I was busy in the paperwork. Meanwhile, also I had to prepare for an exam, that IELTS exam. So what has happened that this PR agency asked me to take a date in the month of March 2020. So I already registered for the exam date and I started preparing. So as he was my immediate neighbor, he could always see what I was doing inside my room. Half of the activities were visible. So he saw me studying. On weekends, I was busy in doing studies, about these PR process and learning about my documents and other thing about this, IELTS exam. Now he was curious, what am I studying? So what he did, he asked his, one of his friend, who was again my common friend, because we all were part of aviation industry and we worked in the same department. So that person called me, said hi, hello to me, and are you not applying for, US, Canada jobs, and why don't you apply for PR and all? So I said, I am not interested in this, and I have no plans for going abroad now. So as I already, recognized this twin flame is keeping an eye on me from everywhere. Also, there were, his people who were spying on me in so many ways. That was the reason I, did not tell anyone about this PR process, that I was about to leave the country or was planning to leave the country. So I decided not to share this, information of that I'm planning to leave the country with anyone, and except, few of my family members, because I informed them this is what I'm planning, and once I leave, I will never return back to our country. That was my plan. So, but then as this twin flame was keeping an eye on me, and I was most of the time, busy on weekends while studying. So he was curious, what am I studying? And that's why he asked his friend to check, whether I'm, exactly planning for such countries or not. So and he was that friend who was supporting him in maintaining this image that he's really sad and he's single, wherein this twin flame and his girlfriend, that karmic feminine, used to go on vacation in a particular city wherein this person used to make arrangements. This person belonged to that city itself. So I knew that, and now I had all sort of evidences that these are shittiest people and all of his friends are like that only. So as he was, keeping an eye on me, especially where I'm going and what am I doing inside my home, because see, I have always been enjoying myself alone. So I used to do party before, I applied for this PR process, but during weekends, I was actually busy in studying, and most of the time I was studying during night time, because, I could not sleep during night time as I was working in night shift. So now I am sharing about this applying for PR and all, because after my spiritual awakening related to this information, something weird, something shittiest thing was done by this twin flame, and wherein he involved this owner's son. I will share that information in upcoming video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.